Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve an example involving logarithmic equations. The positive numbers p and q are such that ln of p divided by q is equal to a and ln of q square times p is equal to b. Express ln of p to the power of 7 times q in terms of a and b. So here we can see that two equations are given. One equation is represented as A and the second equation is represented as B. Now they have asked us to express the third equation in terms of A and B. So before we proceed, let us understand the properties of natural logarithms which we are going to use over here. So to solve this question, we are basically going to make use of three properties. The first one is a power rule, that is ln of A to the power of m will be equal to the power m gets multiplied with ln A, that is the power comes out. The second property is ln of product of two terms will be equal to the ln of first term ln A plus the ln of second term B. So this is called as the product rule. And the third one is called as the quotient rule. So here instead of multiplication you have division, that is ln of A divided by B will be equal to ln of A minus ln of B. Now let us focus on the first equation given. So here we have written the first equation, ln of p divided by q is equal to a. Now making use of the third property, that is the quotient rule, we have written ln of p divided by q as ln of p minus ln of q is equal to a. Now let us consider this equation as equation 1. Let us now focus on the second given equation. So here it was given that ln q square times p is equal to b. Now we have made use of the second property, that is ln of a times b is equal to ln a plus ln b, because here there was a multiplication between q square and p. So we have written it as ln q square plus ln p is equal to b. Now we are going to make use of the first property to bring out the power from q square. So we get, now the power comes out of q. So 2 times ln q plus ln p is equal to b. And let us consider this as our equation 2. Now we are going to perform simultaneous equation for equation 2 and equation 1. So let me rewrite these equations over here. So here I have written the second equation first. So 2 ln q plus ln p is equal to b. And then I have rearranged this first equation, that is minus ln q comes below 2 ln q plus ln p comes below ln p and the constants come below each other. Now once we have done this, let us change the sign of the second equation. So the first term, since it is negative, let us change it to positive. Now positive becomes negative. Now this is positive a, so let us write it as negative a. Once we have done this, plus ln p and minus ln p will add up together and they will cancel out each other. And 2 ln q plus 1 ln q gives you 3 ln q. And here we are going to write b minus a. So this is the equation we get, 3 ln q is equal to b minus a, or we are going to write ln q as b minus a divided by 3. So let us consider this as our equation 3. Now once we have got the value of ln q in terms of a and b, let us get ln p in terms of a and b. So here let us make use of equation 1 again. Let me rewrite this equation 1. So here we have rewritten the equation 1 and let us rearrange it. So here let us take minus ln q on the right hand side. So we get here ln p is equal to a. Now minus ln q becomes plus ln q. And here in place of ln q, we are just going to plug in the value of ln q, that is b minus a over 3. So here we are going to write a plus b minus a over 3. Now here, let us take a common denominator or common LCM. This is of the form a over 1. So we are going to multiply a with 3 and 1 with 3 to get a common denominator as 3. So here we are going to get a times 3, that is 3a. Plus b minus a. So this stays as it is and we get a common denominator as 3. So here basically we get ln p as 3a minus a. These are like terms, so they add up together to give us 2a plus b divided by 3. Now we have got ln p and we have also got ln q. So let me write ln q over here. Its value was b minus a over 3. So let us write over here b minus a over 3. Now once we have got this, we need to focus on the given expression, that is ln p to the power of 7 times q. So let us write over here the given question. So here we have written ln p to the power of 7 times q. Now using the product rule of the natural logarithm, we can write this as ln p to the power of 7 plus ln q. And using the power rule, the power 7 comes out and it gets multiplied with ln p. So 7 multiplies with ln p plus ln q. Now we have already got the value of ln p and ln q in terms of a and b. So let us plug in the value of ln p and ln q over here. So we have here 7 multiplied with 2a plus b divided by 3 plus ln q, that is b minus a over 3. Now in these two terms, we can see that the denominator is same. Both are having a denominator of 3. So we are going to expand this bracket first and then going to add the numerators. So here let us first expand the bracket. That is 7 multiplies with 2a giving us 14a and 7 multiplies with b giving us plus 7b plus b minus a, writing the second term. Now this has a common denominator as 3. Now let us gather the like terms, that is 14a adds with negative a giving us 13a plus now 7b adds up with 1b giving us 8b divided by 3. So this is what we get in terms of a and b, the expression ln p to the power of 7 times q, that is 13a plus 8b divided by 3. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. And if you found this video useful, then you can check out this playlist where you'll find more examples of this kind. And if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.